Hello and welcome to the A-Level Biology presentation for St Joseph's College. The teachers of this course, there are two of us. There's myself, Mr Davies, and Dr Woodburn, who is also the head of sixth form. The course that we teach is OCR Biology A. In year 12, they cover 4 modules, and then in year 13, they cover 2 additional modules. In terms of the content, they start with the microscopic, looking at cells and really small things and biological molecules, moving into larger things, looking at our body, the systems inside ourselves and other organisms, and then also focusing on macro, so the big scale things like ecology, ecosystems. So in terms of biology, it gives a really broad coverage of all kind of the aspects of it. In addition to this, they do quite a lot of practical work. In terms of examination, there are 3 exam papers that will sit in year 13. The first one, Biological Processes, which covers modules 1, 2, 3 and 5. Modules 1 and 2 are taught by both myself and Dr Woodburn. Module 3 and 5 are just taught by Dr Woodburn. Biological Diversity is the second paper they'll sit. That also covers modules 1 and 2, and then in addition covers modules 4 and 6. And modules 4 and 6 are the side of the course that is taught by myself. In addition to this, they have the Unified Biology paper, which can cover any content from any of the modules, so is traditionally a bit of a harder paper. In addition, they will also have a PAG that they do over the 2 years, and these are experiments, and if they complete all these to the appropriate standards, they will gain a practical endorsement in biology. This is a really great certificate because it shows universities that they have those practical skills and not just the subject knowledge. Requirements for our course are a 6 in GCSE Maths, a 6 in English Language. Combined science, they will need to have a 7/7, and if they take individual sciences, then they will need a 7 in biology. In terms of our teaching, we pride ourselves on the range of different types of teaching we do. That ranges from card sorts, discussions. We like it to be very active because not only does it engage the students more, but it also means that they take more from the lesson. So we do a lot of modelling, as you can see from the bottom of this image, and also some dissection. The pictures in the middle are from our field course, which hopefully, current climate, we did not manage to do last year, but hopefully, it permitting, we will be able to do this year because it's a great chance for them to see field work in action. In terms of resources, the school provides online textbooks, which cover both year 1 and year 2 content, and also they'll be provided with skill booklets from OCR. But you've heard what I have to say about the course. It's also interesting, I'm sure you're more interested in, what the students actually have to say. So here are 2 of our current year 13s talking about biology. Why did you choose biology?
Because it can give me an insight on the human life in my career as an archaeologist.
I think for me, I've always had an interest in biology, even since GCSE. I remember learning about the human anatomy for the first time, and I was like, yeah, this is definitely for me.
Cool. What do you like about the lessons at A-Level?
It's a very hands-on subject, so you feel like you're discovering things for yourself rather than being taught them.
I like the lessons because they're really interactive. I feel like with biology, there's a lot to discuss, so even if you're quiet, you won't be left out.
Brilliant. And what do you think people wanting to study the course need to know about it?
There's a lot of content, but it's all kind of interlinked, so you won't really go in blind.
I agree. I wouldn't say it's a hard subject, but there is a lot of content, and it's like a puzzle. If you don't have one piece, you won't be able to get the other piece. So it's a thing of you need to learn everything by pacing yourself, and it all makes sense in the end.
Thank you so much for listening.